Today, Slade and I are going to explore the perfect competitive market. First, we'd have to define what a perfect competitive market is. Investopedia's definition is a theoretical market structure in which the following criteria are met. All firms sell an identical product. All firms are price takers. Market share has no influence on price. Buyers have complete or quote-unquote perfect information of the products being sold and the prices charged by each firm. Resources such as labor are perfectly mobile, and firms can enter or exit the market without cost. With that, we are going to examine the market of cereal by comparing the prices of brand and off-brand cereal, and how they can comply to whether it is completely a perfect competitive market. Slade will be going to explain with some footage at a local Winco to compare the prices, as they do offer both brand and off-brand cereals.
For our application, I went to Winco in order to observe the prices of off-brand and brand name cereals. My goal was to determine whether or not the prices of the cereals complied with the perfect competitive market theory. The cereals I observed included Froot Loops, their off-brand counterpart, Tutti Fruttis, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the off-brand version, Cinnamon Toasters, Captain Crunch with Crunch Berries, the off-brand version, Berry Colossal Crunch. Now if we start by observing the brand name box of Froot Loops, which comes with 12 ounces of cereal, it costs approximately $2.98 for the whole box. If we divide that number $2.98 by the total number of ounces in the box, we get the number of about 25 cents per ounce. In contrast, if we look at the off-brand version of Froot Loops, named Tutti Fruttis, we see that a 23-ounce bag costs only $5.08. Now if we divide that $5.08 by the 23 ounces, we get approximately 22 cents per ounce, which is 3 cents cheaper than its brand name counterpart. The same holds true for the rest of the cereals I observed, as the off-brand cereals all have a decrease in price per ounce compared to their brand name counterparts. So in conclusion, our data represents a perfectly competitive market because it shows how two products, despite being the exact same good and having the exact same manufacturing process, can still have a different price. This is shown in how the off-brand cereals have a different price per ounce than the brand name cereals, being cheaper in every example we observed. Furthermore, the market for cereal contains several of the characteristics of a perfectly competitive market. Those characteristics being a large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneity of the product, free entry and exit of firms, perfect knowledge of the market, perfect mobility of the factors of production and goods, and the absence of price control. Because as we could see on our examples, the prices were not being held to at a certain point. The producers of the good had a choice to price their goods that they're manufacturing at a certain level in order to increase their sales.